Alright, season 1, episode 1 of Chainsaw Man. This anime just looked interesting to watch, and I hope people that want to watch with me can just kind of chill. Denji is a young boy who works as a devil hunter with the chainsaw devil Pochita. Okay? One day, as he was living his miserable life trying to pay off the debt he inherited from his parents, he got betrayed and killed. As he was losing his consciousness, he made a deal with Pochita and got resurrected as a Chainsaw Man, the owner of the Devil's Heart. Alright, not a lot to go based off that, but the art in the anime style, right up my alley, stuff that I like. Looks super interesting. From what I know, it looks like a Demon Slayer, JJK. I like both of those animes. Those are pretty cool to watch. And it seems to be the trend. So, looks badass. Ready to watch it. 5 stars on Crunchyroll. Everybody seems to love it. Without further ado. Ooh. Not one of my nuts for 100k. What, maybe? Alright. What do you owe that money to? Don't do it. He's just gonna drive away. Don't. Okay, so he's kind of smart. You just inherit someone else's debt. Relatable. True. What? His dad killed himself? How are you gonna do that to a little kid? Pour yourself out or sell your soul to a demon? Whoa. No! My man. Yup. Yeah. Ooh. It's a trap. Right through the dog. Is he a demon? Hey, what the?
デビルハンターくん、マジこいつらバカだよ。めっちゃバカ。こいつバラバラにしてゴミ箱にでも捨てちゃって。くそ。
Michael Myers. Ooh. Oh, brother. There's no way he gets out of this. He just wants a girlfriend. Let him go. Literally threw him in the trash. Is that his head cut off? Ah. I gotta do a dog. What the dog doing?
落ちた。仕事に行くぜ。悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。俺の体をポチタにあげてんだ。
What's gonna happen?
墓入った後だったらヤクザも追ってこれん。
Alright. So is Pochita gonna? Ooh. Yo, he's pulling himself back together, literally. Whoa. No way. Fuse with him. Fusion Ha.
ちゃんと奪えて
Oh,
た。
so he knew. He didn't care.
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだった。
What the? You can talk?
これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる。代わりにデンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
Oh. He said, "Let me dream," and he woke up.
傷が。
He gonna get himself a girl.
どういうこと？バラバラにしても生きてんの？
何度分恵まれてんのにもっといい生活を望んだ。俺も同じか。ポチタがいる幸せだけじゃ満足できなくて、もっとじゃあ悪いことじゃねえ。悪いことじゃねえけど。邪
Ew.
魔すんなら
He's gonna become a chainsaw. Pull it.
死ね
Or not. Come on, something epic is about to happen. Happen.
さすがに食い殺しは死ぬだろう。
Come on. I knew it. Yo. What? That literally chainsaw man. That's a cool hero. I mean, he's not a hero, but that's so crazy. Nothing. Let me tank that. Sure you can. Ooh. He's done. Ooh. He's going crazy. But I like it.
先を越されたね。
Oh, he's still standing. She's
生
chilling.
きてる。
She don't care. She's not scared.
君、変わった匂いがするね。
Maybe the blood.
これ、君がやったの？
He got himself a girl. Where's the dog though? More importantly.
悪魔として私に殺されるか、 人として私に飼われるか。飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
Ah, that's why in the opening they had him on a leash. He's a dog now. But where's the actual dog? Oh,
食パンにバターとジャム塗って
dang.
サラダ、コーヒー、あとデザートかな。
Whoa, wow. Is there anything after? Cool, first thoughts. I'm worried because I want to like it, and I liked it already. The animation was amazing. It was better than it's movie animation, movie anime level. But where's the dog? No, I'm kidding. I really want to see if they could keep up, because like any anime like Demon Slayer, JJK, there's like a new demon boss. It's like the same thing over and over. I don't want it to be like that. It's a story that's gonna keep me there. And if they have that dog with the chainsaw, then I'm in. Actually, I don't mind. What am I saying? I don't care. I'm gonna watch it anyway. He's a chainsaw man guy, and he's killing demons. It's pretty cool. I'm excited for the next episode. See if they can keep it up. This anime looks great. The animation they're putting into it. Hopefully the story is just as good or gets better. So tune in next week.